I want to give you a glimpse into whatever we discussed, how it converts into a product, your online presence. Okay. So for that, I'm going to again share my screen. I'm going to take you to, yeah. Let's see, we have Shalini here in the session today. Okay. So Shalini was a corporate, she's working with, was working with a big brand as a trainer for 25 years and all. And she was struggling with her online presence. And when she came to me, she's a friend, she didn't had a website, and I just connected her to someone to get her website done. So this is how the website was done. This is her logo. Okay, this is her logo, and look at there are so many challenges. I mean, we can do a what do you say, operation of this website, surgical operation of this website. But you can at your convenience go and see. Okay, just see the look and feel of this website. And then she went ahead and took my personal consulting services. And this is what I helped her transform, right? So we changed her logo, her colors. She had specific colors in mind. See, all this is coming from her GPS. The entire content are coming from her GPS. Everything is coming from GPS. Everything on her website. I will not go too much here in detail. You can browse it at your convenience, and then you can look at my website also, right? So everything is coming from her GPS, and we have created lead magnets also for her. So now there is, I hope that there was a tech glitch here. I hope she has resolved that. And there, if you go on her website for the first time, it will also pop up a lead magnet. How on my website you get lead magnet, right? So if you go and give your details here, Shalini, are you there? Maybe let me unmute her and let me allow her to speak. Yeah, she's here. Let me. I'm going to promote you to panelist. Yeah. So Shalini, is that thing fixed?
Yeah, it is fixed. Just a second.
So you guys can try. You can also go and look at her website and see, you know, what happens after you give your details to her. She's giving you some free copy of that mode, because some free copy of her book or something is there. Okay, you guys can go and fill the details, and once you give the details here, your details, right?
I hope it's working. I got it fixed.
Huh?
I had got it fixed. Let's see if it's working.
Okay. I don't want to type this because this is going on record and I will start getting a lot of calls. I'm not typing my details, guys. Okay, you can do it on your own, please. Okay, I'm not doing that because this is going on record, and if I put my number and all, and I don't want to put dummy, because you can try yourself, and when the details go, you get whatever, you know, the mails are auto triggered. Okay. So what happens is now once somebody has got attracted to, do you aspire to be authentic, impactful leader who inspires progression, change, and growth? Right? If this is interesting for people, they will continue to be on her website. And then she will talk about whatever she has to offer. And then after this, she is helping people navigate her website. Okay. There is a lead magnet that pops up. And I think that there is one more technical glitch here, Shalini, that modal is not coming only once it comes. So we'll have to fix that also. Okay. So once you give in the details, you will automatically get email from her. Okay. Automatically get email from her. Where is your landing page, Shalini, for that?
My course in the same website, my course website page.
Where? How can I go and see that?
My course.
My courses. Okay, so this is the link, right? So
yeah.
If we click on this, she's created. This is not working, Shalini.
It was working just now. I just checked.
It's not working.
Anyway, I've sent it to you on that.
Where?
WhatsApp.
Share in the Zoom link, no?
I'll just share.
Share it in the Zoom link. There are too many things here. Okay. So maybe you want to share your journey, Shalini, how
Yeah, sure.
in the meantime you can share your that whatever now okay, you share whatever you have to share. I'll leave it up to you.
Okay. It's there with you. The link is anyway there in your WhatsApp. Varna.
No, in the chat.
I'll just put it. I'll just put it. Can you hear me? I'm not sure if you
Yeah,
can
yeah,
hear
you are
me.
very clear. You're very clear. We can hear you clearly.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Good evening. It's really a pleasure to be here with all of you and especially with Vandana. See, like all of you, I was on the same journey and wanted to, do something on a digital platform. Thank you so much, Apsara. And but I had no clue how to do it. So, and being a trainer, being a coach, uh, the COVID had impacted, and it was time for me to go digital. Vandana is a very good friend, so and she had been trying to tell me that it's time to go digital, but I did not know how to do that.
3 years before.
So for a long time, and then finally COVID made us, made me take that decision. But having said that, I think I'm very lucky that it was Vandana who kind of got me onto this whole story. So whatever you are doing currently, the course that you are attending, the way you are making the Excel sheets, the way you're trying to identify your own course, what is your special area, where you want to work on, all this is what she helped me with in starting month of June.
No, 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 नहीं वो मत बोलो. आपने क्या अचीव किया वो बोलो. मैंने क्या किया मुझे
तो वो आप दिखा रहे हो ना, you're showing me. So what I actually achieved was, apart from understanding how the digital story worked, I got my course, I got my Teachable, I have been regularly doing my webinars, and so there are two areas that I work on. One is on life coaching and law of attraction, and the other one is leadership. So these both are the areas that I'm working on. I have my courses ready. Sorry, Vandana.
आपने ट्रिपवायर बनाया तो ट्रिपवायर कैसे बना? What was your challenges when you created the tripwire? And are you a technically confident person before you came to me, or were you
No, I'm not technically confident. I had no idea about computers. मेरे को सिर्फ कंप्यूटर ऑन करना आता था और एक्सेल वर्ड और पावर पॉइंट पे काम करना आता था. But what I have done is, when I made my tripwire itself, I had no clue the video recording कैसे करना होता है, how to get the content right. So, it was a very interesting step-by-step learning that I went through with Vandana, and she was experimenting with me, I was experimenting with her, and finally we came up with a very good product. I would say that because she has a fantastic command on what, she's very clear on what has to happen, and if you want things to happen right, just listen to what she's saying. In between, I did not listen to her. We got delayed, got confused, a lot of things happened. But that was a journey that I went through, and I finally realized, okay, fine, I'm going back, listening to what Vandana is saying, and just following to the T. And because of following to the T, I'm today talking to you so confidently. You can, whatever is your domain, you can have a digital platform for yourself, and you can, really achieve whatever you want to achieve.
this landing page she has made, and she says she's tech challenged. Used to say.
Yeah.
She has done many things, right? I mean, her products she has made, recorded all of that. She has done everything herself. Because I like to create people should be independent. Now, next, she's also created her leadership course. Next, she's also created her core product. So I like to empower people to be on their own. And when you are what I realized is Shalini was asking in between different people, how should I do this? So what I realized is when you have found one mentor, just stay, just surrender to that mentor. If you are taking inputs from 4-5 places, it is going to delay the journey unnecessarily, and that's what has happened, right? So you never, it's like, you know, if you have faith in one mentor, just focus all your attention and energies there. Because if you keep taking inputs from 10,000 places, it will further delay, because people don't have context of what we are doing. They will give advices based on what they know. So many things are there, guys, here. Okay. Thank you, Shalini.
Thank you very much, Vandana, and thank you for everything you've done. Thank you.
No problem. You were a good student. You took actions. Okay. There are so many people that came along with you, right? You know that, right? Only people who take actions and are willing to invest will get results. Otherwise, it is a great kick. है ना, बहुत सारे लोग रहते हैं, वाह वाह क्या वंदना मैम ने क्या बिजनेस सत्संग कराया, अरे मजा आ गया यार, क्या बिजनेस सत्संग था। कुछ लोगों के लिए वंदना माँ ने क्या मस्त लाइफ सत्संग कराया, बहुत मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया, बड़ा बड़ा बढ़िया सेशन था। उससे आपकी लाइफ में कुछ भी चेंज नहीं होने वाला। आफ्टर द सेशन मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल सिंपली गो दारू पियेंगे, मुर्गा फाड़ेंगे, एंड दैट्स ऑल डन। Because you know, people enjoy the knowledge part, but results, it is, you have to enjoy the knowledge part also, but what will change in your life only when you take actions on that knowledge. I am looking for karma yogis, I am not looking for gyan yogis. My gyan yogis have to become karma yogis, because there are a lot of people who simply come to learn because they can, and you know, they can talk in the social circle. पता है कैसे ऑनलाइन जाते हैं, ये करना पड़ता है, जीपीएस टेक्नोलॉजी होती है, गेन पेन सिस्टम बनाना पड़ता है, वाह 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 वाही के लिए दे कम, right? So that is not going to bring results in your life, right? So what will bring results in your life is what you are doing with the knowledge, how only applications will bring. So that is why I really want people to take action. I'm pushing you to take actions, because your growth matters to me, because you are helping me in my vision of a growing world, right?